Dora the Explorer, Phonics Reading Program, A Sounds, Sail Away. Do you know where we are today? We are on something that dips and sways in the waves. Yay, we are on a ship on the bay. We are in a sailing race today. I am Captain Dora and this is Sailor Boots. Let's raise the mainsail. Away we go. What a great day! There is no rain and there are no grey clouds. There is just the sun and the spray of the waves. It will be smooth sailing all the way. Oh no, there is Swiper behind that rail. He wants to swipe our sail so he can win the race. We were too late. Swiper swiped our sail and tossed it away. Do you see it? There, it is in the bay. How will we get it back? I know. We can use this pole and some sticky tape. Then Sailor Boots will climb the main mast to put our sail back up. Hooray! He did it. Now I will raise the sail back up and the wind will take us away. We may still win. We did it. We won the race. This is the end of the story. I hope today you learned the A sounds, A-I and A-Y.